Hello again. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be explaining how this electric induction whirlpool hob work. This is a cookware, especially when you're moving to your new home. Sometimes it's frustrating and sometimes you cannot cook. I was once at one friend's house and we were really embarrassed because we could not use it because we thought that the normal proceeding or the normal way that we used to cook other food is the way we're going to cook, but it wasn't. So today I'm going to show you, if you find yourself in a situation that we found ourselves, how you can use it and cook the food. Now normally we have, you see there are two pots. Okay, this one is the right one that is used to induct the electricity through when using this kind of cookware or the cooking hub. Now we have this one. This is the normal one. I'm going to put them, all of them, and you see which one is going to work. Then I'm going to explain how everything goes. Okay, when you want to turn it on, you normally have to press here. You see this button? This one? Yes. This one is to switch on. You see? It's switched on. Now I have to put, this one is the first one, then I have to time it. Okay, and then the timer is this one. This is how I time it. Okay, there's a time that I'm going to put. I'm going to cook, maybe let's say for 5 minutes. And then there's this one, because it's the last one, it has to be this one. Okay, and then I put it this one. So actually this controls control what this is here to control the temperature. Okay, normally this is to control the temperature, and especially when it's showing this way, it means something is not all right. Okay, it means the electricity is not going through. That's why it keep on doing this, because this side, you see that my temperature is fine. In a minute this side will start to boil. Okay, let me just increase the temperature. Okay, there is to increase the temperature, and here is the time. Okay, now let's go. Now I told you that this actually normally this does is not going to boil, because this is a normally it's the normal ports that we use, but this is not going to, it cannot conduct electricity using on this cookware. But other side, you see, okay, if you look closely inside, you see there's a sign of boiling water. You see it start boil, but look on the other side, they are all turned on, but this one cannot work. Now what do you do when you find yourself in this situation? You can either go to buy this. If you don't have these pots, you can go to buy these pots and use these pots to make sure that you're going to have a cooking. But if you cannot buy the pots, you say maybe sometimes expensive, you just have to go and get this ring. Okay, you see this ring, I can use it to conduct the electricity. Okay, let's just go, and you can use the normal pots. Now I'll take out this. Okay, I'm taking it out. Okay, because eventually it will switch on, because it's not conducting electricity. But if I'm going to place this, okay, I'm placing this in the same ring. Then we go again. It was here because that's the back one. Then we put the temperature. Okay, now the moment we switch on, it starts to conduct electricity. Let's bring back our normal pots. And then we'll place it. We'll place our normal pots here. Then you see for yourself, within a second, or within 30 seconds or 1 minute, it will start also to heating up. Okay, it will start heating up. You see this side already, the water is boiling. Okay, because it is conducting the electricity. Okay, I'm just increasing so that it can be fast. I'm increasing the temperature. So this number here, minus and plus, is to increase the temperature when you are cooking. Sometimes if you are cooking rice, if you don't want to burn it, you can just reduce the temperature. Okay, reduce the temperature. But if you want to cook something fast, increase the temperature. But the timer is this one. Okay, this is a timer. We use it to time the time that I want to cook. If I want to cook for 15 minutes, if the noodle maybe for 1 minute, you just have to put the time here. Okay, my people. Okay, if you finish, you can just go to minus. Okay, reduce your temperature. I can put it to 0 now. I have switched it on. Now it's not working. But let's go back. Let's go back to our. Okay, if you can look closely now. Okay, if you can look closely, our pot now is starting to heating up. Okay, If you can check it nicely, you see, it's starting to heating up. Why is it heating up? Because I've used this ring. So this ring is used to make sure that the electricity it's conducted so that the normal ports that we use can be conducted the electricity to it. So don't be surprised next time, or when you are buying, or when you're moving to your new house and you cannot cook on this induction cook hob. So make sure that you do and you buy the right pots to use. Okay, that was it. I was confused the first time I used it because I couldn't use it. So I thought that since I had this knowledge, I cannot keep it to myself. We have to keep it real and share with other people, so that when you find yourself in this situation, you will know exactly how to use it. Thank you and have a blessed day. It was your boy. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like and share. Please share this video so that if you have a friend or a family who might be in need of using this, it could be a faucet for them. Thank you. Tata.